Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody over at Fat Boy Electric. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to get this custom video made over for you guys, showing you how you can start to increase your sales, profits, and revenue and traffic right through your guys' website and business online. With that being said, we're going to go over a few things. One being your website, compare and contrast to what your top dogs in your area are doing that you guys may need to work on. Some back ends of things, SEO, keywords, backlinks, as well as the Google My Business portion of it. So, with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your guys' website up. Love that you got to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google. Love the name. Not going to lie, Fat Boy Electric. So I think that's super sick. We got the home pages, all these. That's looking all good. We got all of your contact information for certain people. We don't have the Google Maps portion loaded correctly for whatever reason. Let's see, what else do we got? Archives. I don't know what that means or what that is. But so with that being said, we don't have a ton of photos, but we guys definitely don't have a lot of content either. A lot of websites online are missing content. Google loves content. Anywhere, the homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words of content based off of your niche. And another thing I see is you guys are not secure. SSL is a huge thing for people online, especially when we go to like this contact form, right? We want to make sure that all of our personal information is safe online. We don't want to just be sending this out to some non-secure website where hackers could potentially get our information. So what we want to do is we want to compare and contrast you guys to your top competition, right? See what they're doing. These guys right here, very clean looking website. These guys are at the top of the Google ranks right now online, and we can figure out what they're doing properly, right? So we have all of their about tab service. We got service button, click to call. They have call to action right away. They've got all kinds of good stuff. But even these guys are lacking on their content. And how we can tell you guys versus them is we're actually going to take your URL and we are going to put it into this tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool we like to use. There's free versions and softwares out there that you can get all the same information, but this is what we prefer to use. So what this is going to show me is the kinds of backlinks, referring domains that are hosting those backlinks, as well as the keywords that you guys are targeting. As I mentioned, content, right? We want lots of good content. How we can figure out what kinds of content we need is based off of keywords. We want to figure out what kinds of keywords your competition has, what kinds you have, what kind of search volume it has, and what the positionings are, right? So these are the keywords that you guys have right now. You can see our search volume on it. We don't have a lot of them over 250. We got one at 400. That's a good one to have. 200 Best Boy Electric. Those are pretty good. Fat Boy, I think that's fairly relevant for your guys' name, but we want to get a lot more service-based keywords. And one way we can do that is comparing that to Jeremy Electric, right? So again, we're going to copy and paste their URL, just like we did for you guys. And we're going to say, hey, what keywords or what backlinks do these guys have? Electrical questions, 500 search volume. Local electricians, 8,800, right? Local electricians, again, 2,900, just spelled a little differently. Electricians was spelled wrong. But so we can go out and we can figure out all of these keywords that people are searching in order to start driving more traffic to our website. Not to mention we can do the same exact thing with the backlinks. We can go over and figure out what types of citations they have. Citations are anywhere online like a Yelp or a Facebook page or a white pages. Anywhere that has your business name, phone number, email address, location, right? That's a citation. We also have guest posts. We have influencer link juice, right? We have guest posts like this, expertise or a chamber of commerce sites. They're really powerful backlinks that give your site a lot of growth potential to it. They are expensive. They are a little more pricey to get, but unlike the citations can be free, but guest posts are much more powerful, which is why they are worth more. Not to mention, we're also going to go over this right here, the Google My Business portion. This is you guys. We have you up right here, a couple photos. You guys have your website, phone number, hours of operation. We got your location. I don't see an about section, but we want to really optimize this to compare them to somebody like Jeremy Electric, right? You guys have 9 reviews. They have 359 reviews. They probably have a much better photo count on their thing, a better about section, right? These are all things we want to compare and contrast in order to start gaining more traffic to our website, and that way our website becomes a little more user-friendly as well. So with that being said, quick recap. First things first, I would highly recommend you guys getting this secured, adding some content, adding some backlinks to your guys' website as well, and updating your Google My Business profile. So, with that being said, everybody over at Boy Electric, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. All of my contact information is at the bottom of the email that I sent over to you guys. I hope you guys found this video useful and can apply it to your business to start increasing your traffic and your sales. With that being said, guys, thank you so much and have a great day.